Hey, hey. Welcome everybody to Miss Glow's Kitchen, where there's sugar, spice, and everything nice, where we slice, dice, and entice, using everything we can, from peppers to allspice. What's up, my people? Y'all know what time it is? See y'all in the kitchen. Coming up, I'll show you how to do a mashed potato hack for Thanksgiving. But before we do that, smash that like button, hit that subscribe, that share, and that bell for notifications. All right, so look at this. We're going to use Idahoan potatoes out of the bag. Use the home-style buttery flavor. That way the garlic will shine through. Kerrygold butter, heavy whipping cream, and you want to use some garlic. Now, if you want to roast some garlic and smash it, that'll work. Otherwise, use the garlic powder. Now, I'm going to tell you a trick here. Nobody on Thanksgiving will ever know that these are not homemade mashed potatoes. Trust me, they will never know that they came out of a bag unless you open your mouth and tell. I won't tell. You shouldn't either. All right, let's get right into how to make them. All right, so the mashed potato part has never been easier. So dump your 2 packs of mashed potatoes in here. If you're cooking for more people, then double the recipe or even triple it. All right, so you're going to dump your 2 packs into a bowl. Now you're going to put about a tablespoon and a half of garlic. So it depends on how much garlic you really like in your food. All right, so if you're not a garlic lover, then cut that back to maybe even a couple teaspoons. You see what I'm saying? All right, so you're going to put as much butter in as you like. So that's going to vary with everybody. It depends on how much butter you like. So this Kerrygold pack, I'm going to do about a third of that pack of Kerrygold. All right, because they come in that one size that I know of right there. All right, and so you're going to have like 3 cups of boiling water ready and 1 cup of heavy cream, the heavy whipping cream. All right, so now we're going to get these all wet up before we whip them, because we're actually going to whip them by hand. If you want to use a hand mixer, even better, make whipped potatoes, and people really won't know then. So, all right, so let's get on with this. All right, so we want to get these potatoes wet, but we don't want to get them to the point where they are soupy. You want them to hold their shape. So if you like soupy potatoes, then do that. But I don't, because I like to put the gravy on the top, and I don't like a whole mess on the plate. All right. So I'm doing this liquid a little bit at a time. And if you want to put it all in at one time and you just want to work with your potatoes, then that's an easier way to do it. You could do that. Easy peasy, baby. So I'm telling you, the hack is easy. Put your butter in. You don't have to use any salt. Put your butter in, put your garlic in, start putting your water in a little bit at a time, and put your heavy cream in. And that's it. All right, so just get your potatoes all wet up with the water and then the heavy cream, and then you want to whip the heck out of them. So like I said, either use a whisk or you can use a hand mixer. Whip them, and trust me, that's it. Your potatoes are done. Happy Thanksgiving. Enjoy. So I did a small dish of them just so you can see, but check that out because they look quite homemade. Yes, y'all better go make these. For more great recipes, tips, and ideas, check out some of my other videos.